Hello everyone, Code Purpose here. We are going on with our 26th exercise, decrement or increment. Let's see what this exercise asks from us. It asks a one-line request. It asks to read for a number n, and if that number is divisible by 4, then increase its value by 1, otherwise decrease its value by 1. We only read one number. There are no test cases in this exercise. We read the number n, and if we say we read the n from the console, and we say if the number is divisible by 4. If a number is divisible by 4, then the remainder is 0. Then we see out plus n increasing by 1. Else we see out minus 1, decrease it. We go submit. I think this is the shortest video I ever done for explaining an exercise, because it's a simple one and it takes too long to get a response answer, even if you know that the exercise is solved correctly. It takes a while. We are waiting still for submission, and here we have the answer is correct. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking the red button right below the like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification by clicking the notification bell to not miss the upcoming videos. See you soon on Code Purpose.